Welcome to Rome, the eternal city, a place where history, culture, and world-famous cuisine come together to create an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a history lover, a foodie, or just here to admire its stunning beauty, Rome has something for everyone.
In this video, we'll explore the top 10 things to do in Rome, and if you're planning a trip, check out the video description for event and attraction tickets to make your journey even smoother. Now let's dive into the wonders of Rome.
We start with the Colosseum, Rome's most iconic landmark. Built nearly 2,000 years ago, this ancient amphitheater once hosted gladiator battles, wild animal hunts, and grand spectacles. Step inside and imagine the roar of 50,000 spectators as warriors fought for glory in the arena.
Despite centuries of earthquakes and looting, the Colosseum remains one of the greatest engineering feats of the Roman Empire. Book a skip-the-line ticket in advance to avoid long queues, and consider a guided tour to access the underground chambers and upper levels.
Step into the world's smallest country, Vatican City. Home to the Pope, St. Peter's Basilica, and the Sistine Chapel, it's a must-visit for art and history lovers. Marvel at Michelangelo's breathtaking frescoes inside the Sistine Chapel, and climb to the top of St. Peter's Basilica for panoramic views of Rome.
Vatican City has its own postal system and even issues its own stamps. Dress modestly, as strict dress codes apply when entering religious sites. Also, book your tickets online to skip the long entry lines.
No trip to Rome is complete without tossing a coin into the Trevi fountain. According to legend, tossing one coin ensures your return to Rome. 2 coins mean you'll find love, and 3 coins guarantee marriage. The fountain was designed by Nicola Salvi and completed in 1762, standing as one of the most beautiful Baroque masterpieces in the world.
Over €1 million worth of coins are thrown into the fountain each year, which are collected and donated to charity. Visit early in the morning or late at night to avoid crowds and capture the perfect photo.
Walk through the heart of ancient Rome at the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. This was once the center of political, religious, and social life in the Roman Empire. See the remains of grand temples, ancient basilicas, and the Arch of Titus, all telling the story of Rome's glorious past.
Legend says that Palatine Hill is where Romulus founded the city of Rome in 753 BC. Get a combo ticket with the Colosseum for the best deal, and don't forget to bring water. It can get hot while exploring the ruins.
One of the most beautiful squares in Rome, Piazza Navona is a hub of street performers, charming cafes, and stunning Baroque architecture. The square is built on the site of an ancient Roman stadium and still retains its original oval shape.
The Fountain of the Four Rivers, designed by Bernini, represents 4 major rivers from different continents: the Nile, Danube, Ganges, and Rio de la Plata. Stop by at night when the fountains are beautifully lit, and enjoy a traditional Italian espresso at a nearby cafe.
The Spanish Steps are one of Rome's most famous gathering spots. Climb the 135 steps to the top for stunning views of Piazza di Spagna below. At the base, you'll find the famous Boccaccia fountain, designed by the father of Gian Lorenzo Bernini.
It's illegal to sit on the Spanish Steps, so be mindful when taking a break. Visit in spring when the steps are beautifully decorated with colorful azaleas.
Trastevere is Rome's most charming and vibrant neighborhood, famous for its bohemian vibe and buzzing nightlife. Explore its narrow streets, dine at traditional trattorias, and enjoy live music in Piazza Santa Maria.
Trastevere means beyond the Tiber, as it's located across the river from the city center. Try cacio e pepe, a Roman pasta dish, at a local trattoria. You won't regret it.
The Pantheon is one of the best preserved monuments of ancient Rome, boasting a magnificent dome with a central oculus that allows natural light to pour in. It was originally a temple to all gods before being converted into a church.
The Pantheon's dome is the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world. Entry is free, but it gets busy, so visit early in the morning for a quieter experience.
Rome is home to some of the best gelato in the world. Whether you prefer classic flavors like pistachio or unique creations, there's no wrong choice.
Avoid places with piled-up gelato. Authentic gelato is stored in covered metal containers.
The Appian Way is one of the oldest roads in the world, dating back to 312 BC. Walking along it feels like stepping back in time.
Julius Caesar and other notable figures once traveled along this road. Rent a bike to explore more of this historic route in less time.
From ancient ruins to vibrant neighborhoods, Rome is a city that never ceases to amaze. Which of these activities are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments.
And don't forget to check the video description for tickets to events and attractions in Rome. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration. See you on our next adventure.